welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essar, and I'm so glad to have you here once again for yet another video. So this time I didn't do the old type of DIY. I was doing something different, which was repainting my old table, so I wasn't doing anything from scratch. So I've had this table for quite some time, but I've always hated it. I always thought it was ugly. I thought it was made badly, and so it has been sitting for about 5-6 years, if I'm not wrong, just doing nothing. And so finally I decided I wanted to turn this extra room into an office, and I remembered this old table, and I have been feeling myself lately on the DIY level. So I decided I was going to just repaint it and see what I could come up with. So at this time I didn't buy anything. I've had the table for a while, and then the paint that I used I've also had for a very long time. So the paint was even in a really weird condition, like I think because it sat for so long after already being used, so it was lumpy and thick, but I still managed to work out so well. I don't regret using that paint at all. It was the Duracoat vinyl emulsion, matte emulsion, I think. So it is actually matte, and what I liked about it was that the fact that it is I think water-based, because I could mix it with water to make it a bit thinner, which for me was perfect. Yeah, so I if you guys will see that I painted with my lovely assistant Zaria, and she helped me so much on that day. I really, honestly, sometimes you just think about her being a kid, and she's only 3 years old, and you realize and you think there's nothing she could do, but she actually helped me so much on that day. So I'm really grateful, and I'm grateful for you guys coming to watch another video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you learn how to be able to embrace ugly furniture and make it into something new. So yeah, I hope you guys learn, and let's get started. So for the first coat, it doesn't have to be really coated too well. So guys, this is coat 1. We are done with coat 1, Zari has already started on the drawers. So we're waiting for it to dry. We're just giving it like a few minutes because this paint dries super quick. Like the side we started with is dry, like so dry. So we just want to apply a second paint. I think this paint is thick enough that the second coat will just cover everything, which is really good. We don't have to do so much work. So as you can see, my assistant right there hard at work. Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Yeah. See you after coat number 2.
Stuck in a dream, so I'll keep sleeping. So numb, I feel no pain at all. So let's just free fall off the deep end. One night, one chance, let's go. So can we take just a moment? Can we take just a moment with you right next to me? So can we take just a moment? Can we live in the moment right now? You're all that I need. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up.
So guys, I sanded the table. I've done a coat 2, which was just to cover the strokes of coat 1. So yeah, that is how it's come out. I also did the drawers. I hope you guys can see well. So now I want to do the top.
Ooh.
So here's the paint. I've used that much so far. I want to water it down for the first coat. Like I said, guys, this paint dries really fast, so I have to keep Mama. So I have to keep watering it down. But it's not a problem. So far, it's the best paint I have used. I hope putting water doesn't ruin it. Like, I hope it doesn't come out looking awful at the end of it all. But so far, no complaints. And then, the funny thing is, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has lumps. It has lumps. I'm guessing because it stayed for a couple of years. But the funny thing is, it still goes on so smoothly. Like, I'm so impressed. Like you see, if you can see the lumps, but they smoothen out. So that's the best part. But it's drying, like this paint dries. It dries so fast. So if you guys can see, it's already dry. Already dry. So this paint job will be done pretty quickly. So guys, now I am done with the table. 4 coats at the top and 2 coats around it. And now I'm moving on to the drawers. So as you can see, I painted them white, but I want to do the top in a different color. So I'm planning on this color called Angel that I used last time on the hanging shelves. I don't know if you guys remember. Yeah, so it's a nice pink. So I'm going to color them pink at the top and see how it comes out.
Like runaways, we'll be together. I'll follow you into the dark. You pull me in and take me deeper. I never wanted to stop. So can we take just a moment? Can we take just a moment with you? It's where I wanna be. So can we take just a moment? Can we live in the moment?
So guys, for this next step, I want to tape some papers together and leave a lining out here that I will spray paint gold. I really hope that won't mess up my paint job, but I'm hoping for the best. Yeah. So this is what happens when you're not prepared. My gold spray paint is over, and now it looks like a big blob of dirt. I think I'm going to do the angel pink around the edge instead of the gold. So I decided to go with the angel pink. I'm hoping it will cover up the gold that I sprayed. So as this dries, I'm just going to set up the rest of the table, and that's practically it. So yeah, once that's through, I'm done. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, I did run out of gold spray paint, but I hope you guys learned how to just go with stuff even though it doesn't work out as you wanted. And I still love my table so much. I hope you guys learned how to just paint your own stuff instead of taking it to a fundi who will charge you. You can do these things on your own and it will come out just as well. And if you guys have any questions about anything to do with the video, I would really appreciate if you made a comment on the comment section. If you have any suggestions that you would like to see, I would also appreciate if you said so. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and come back for more videos. I really enjoy having you guys here. Thank you so much for always watching, and do have a lovely day. So goodbye.